Tech and clips.
Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Philip. You guys already know if you're new on here. Hope you stay with us. Yes, on this channel we do music reactions to your favorite songs, your favorite bands, your favorite artists, and if it's the kind of content you're very much interested in, tap in, subscribe to the channel, join the family. It's all love, no negativity up in here. Yes, we are back with more songs, more music reactions from Fleetwood Mac. Rest in peace to Christine McVie. She played her part. She had a thriving career, and I just want us to remember her legacy, her music. So yeah. Now, I did a reaction, a live performance, of this song, as you can see by the title, Songbird. It was very much requested on the channel, live performance. And unfortunately, it got blocked. It got really, really blocked. And I wanted this song up so much. I was like, okay, let me just try the official audio from the album Rumors. One of their greatest albums ever that they put out. So yeah, I hope it stays up. I definitely hope it stays up. So yeah, Songbird, Fleetwood Mac, Christine McVie. Let's take a listen. Let's go. Okay.
For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining. And I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right.
Guys, you have to admit, like, Christine has a very her voice. There's something about her voice. I don't know the word, but it has a some level of soulfulness. As much as it's very soothing to the ear, like there's this. I don't know if I'm describing it the right way, but I don't know. There's something very emotional, very soulful, like emotional something. I don't know. I'm really struggling with the perfect word to describe her voice. But so far so good. So far so good. Let me take this back a little bit.
For you, the sun will be shining. And I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you,
Okay.
it's alright. I know
Wow. Wow. Okay. So, Songbird, Christine McVie, Fleetwood Mac. Yes, beautiful, beautiful song right there by all standards. Beautiful love song. Um, yeah, yeah. I mean, it's very soulful, very laid back. It's very chill. You know, lots of piano play, and yeah. So this song was actually written by this is actually like a solo song by Christine McVie, right? And I mean, it's obviously on the Rumors album, and I feel like this song was to prove like her solo talent, like her solo capabilities. The fact that she can write the song, sing it, play it, like her solo something aside the group. She wrote the song, she sang it, she played all the piano parts. Wow, go figure. Like I always say, like whenever I mean, you're an artist, I listen to you, and then I finally find out that you can actually play an instrument, you can actually play something, piano, guitar, whatever. Like it gives me a whole new level of respect, because it's not easy, like to do both at the same time, play a piano, and then like sing, like it's just amazing, and from the way I listen to it, this song is very personal to Christine, obviously, because the song is about love. It's about love, sacrifice, selfless sacrifices, that we all at a point in time, do, in love, in relationships, and read a few something small about this song, and Christine said in her own words that this song held Fleetwood Mac together during their hard times, recording the Rumors album. Once the members heard the song, they thought about the way they had been through and how much love they've shared. Like you can definitely tell that they had a very beautiful relationship, as a band, as friends, as you know yeah. So like I said, this song definitely has a very emotional, personal touch. I can only understand why she wrote it and sang it, no backends from other band members, and definitely a top-notch song. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let's remember Christine McVie. Let's all type rest in peace down the comment section. Let's keep her musical legacy alive. Our deepest condolences to Fleetwood Mac and the other Stevie Nicks, the other band members. So yeah, more Stevie Nicks, more Fleetwood Mac, more Christine McVie song reactions on the way. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know. Help me select my next Fleetwood Mac song music reaction. I'll definitely do that. In remembrance of Christine McVie. So let's go on to the next music reaction. Take care, stay safe. Merry Christmas in advance, and then stay safe. Peace out. Yes.